Hey guys, today I'm going to share my weight loss green oats chapati that has been a part of my diet and has helped me with my weight loss goals. We all know oats is very high in fiber, helps with weight loss, and also is a heart healthy food. So we are going to make this amazing wholesome oats chapati today. To make this chapati, I have taken 1 cup of oats. With that, I have taken half tablespoon of methi seed, 1 tablespoon of flax seed, and 1 tablespoon of chia seed. All these food are very high in omega-3 fatty acid and also a good source of fiber and protein and has all the essential vitamins and minerals that we need. I am using this moringa powder from Nutriwish. Moringa is a superfood that is packed with protein and all the essential vitamins and minerals. It is very essential for women overall health. I am using Nutriwish moringa powder, but you can also use fresh moringa leaf. I will just add all the ingredients to the blending jar and blend it together to make a smooth powder. I will be adding 2 spoons of moringa powder here. I have blended to a very smooth powder as you can see, and my oats chapati flour is ready now. I will take this oats powder in a bowl now and add a pinch of salt and mix it well. To make the dough, I will add lukewarm water little bit at a time. Mix it to form a smooth dough. It's very simple guys, very similar to how you would make your own normal atta dough. So the dough is ready now. I will cover it and let it rest for around 30 minutes. It's very important to let it rest for some time to make a soft chapati. It's been around 30 minutes now. Let's roll the chapati. Divide the dough into equal parts. 1 cup of oats will roughly make around 5 chapatis depending on the size of chapati. To roll the chapati, I will take just a tiny bit of atta on my rolling board and roll out the dough to make a chapati. You can see how easy it is and how smoothly it rolls out. I will put my pan on heat and just wait for the pan to heat up. Now the steps are quite similar to making any chapati. So the green weight loss oats chapati is ready to serve, guys. For men, the serving size is 3 chapatis for lunch, and for women it is 2 chapati. This chapati is a wholesome meal on its own, packed with all the essential nutrients that our body needs. You can enjoy this chapati with any curry, dal or yogurt. Just add a little butter and enjoy healthy, delicious oats chapati. I will see you guys next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.